Good morning, Californication. Trail Hawk chair, camping chair. Make some space in the van. This is the way to do it. We're going to be doing an unboxing video. We're going to go through it, put it together super quick. This video is so short, but you need to see how it goes at the end and how comfortable it really is. So let's get this chair open and we'll have a look at it. We're going to do a quick unboxing. So this is the Hawk chair, grey. Yeah, it's the Hawk, Trail Hawk small camping chair. So let's have a little look what's in the packet when we open it up, and then we'll do a quick setup video to show you just how easy it is. Now, the reality is, we're trying to save space no matter what we do. So let's just have a little look. There we go. So that is it. You can really see how small this is, and this is for kids and adults. So it's going to be perfect for us. Obviously, in the California Ocean, you've got your chairs in the back, but it'll be good. This is for the kids really to have their other ones, because the ones we've got at the moment are quite big, and I want to keep as much space free as possible, because a trip to Switzerland or any long trip, you want to make sure you're making the most of your storage situation. So you get some instructions, and I believe it's going to be relatively easy to put this thing together. But what we're going to do is probably ignore the instructions, because we always do, and we're going to take this out and see what we've got and try and do it in real time. So here we have the setup. It's quite a nice grey colour actually, with a little strap around it to keep it all together. And hopefully that strap is connected. Yes, it is. It won't go anywhere. Instructions just blown off. And this literally is pulling itself into position just with these like bungees that are inside. So it's kind of building itself almost to a point. The centre strut is really, really thick actually. So you can see where that is going to take a lot of weight. Okay. So we have that sort of basic setup pretty much done, where we've got this frame like that. Let's move the table out of the way, which is the basis of the actual chair itself. Now here we go, we've got they do different colours of these. You've got these small hooks or little sort of holes here, which we are literally going to slide on to each of those. So I guess this is the front and this is the back. So we'll start at this one. Push that down. Now I'm told that sometimes when they're new, they are quite tricky to get them in properly or easily at the beginning. But let's see what this is like. I mean, these poles are slightly flexible, but I don't want to push it too hard. Just open that up a bit. That's easy. That's nice and open. Oh, this is where it's a bit harder. It's a bit of force, but not much force. And there you have a chair. That's in like no time. I guess this bit, where is it? There is a ground sheet. There's a little ground sheet, which I guess is good to have your feet put on it, and you can. It's also got. This is great because it's got these little bits here, which you can then peg this down. So if it's a windy day, you can actually peg the chair down using this. So we're gonna put that on now. How does that work? I just guess it sits on top of it like that, and these little bits go in to there and around, and that one goes on there, and then finally it's got these bits here which you can kind of hold your finger. I don't know if you do peg it down. I would have thought you would peg it down, but I don't know. I guess you could if you wanted to. And there you go, you've got your little ground sheet. And this, I'm not sure why you need that, but it might be like a strength thing. The Velcro can go in there like that as well. So you have it. And there is also a way, somehow, where you connect this bag to the chair as well. So I'm not sure how you do that. I'm just guessing. It probably just hooks off this, but we'll figure that out in a bit. If I looked at the instructions, maybe that would actually tell me, because you can actually use this bag, and when you have it on here, you can then use that to put stuff in it while you're sat down. Right, Trail Hawk, how comfortable are you? That is actually really good. The kids are going to be happy. I think I'm even going to nick it, because it's actually relatively sturdy and pretty decent. I like that. Thumbs up from me.